Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and review this exercise and then we'll break it down. So we've got this sliding scale here, and although we're starting on a D note, this is a configuration of a G major scale. This exercise, basically how we're going to play this scale configuration, is going to help us with our hammer-ons, our slides, and our pull-offs. The most important thing to focus on in this exercise is really making sure your hammer-ons and pull-offs are strong enough to allow the subsequent notes to fully ring out, but not so aggressive that it messes with the output volume and sounds inconsistent when compared to your playing throughout the rest of the exercise. And of course, just like with learning a lot of other skills within the guitar, this does take a lot of time and does require a lot of patience. For now, try your best to get those really strong yet clean hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then move on to the rest of your session because you'll be all warmed up, and we'll see you next time.